night. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did we color up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges just meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. My voice without the light, this is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. True after all this time, our voices all combined. But when darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like.